Think getting to insights takes weeks? Not with Databricks. In the next 5 minutes, I'll take you from zero to fully operational AI powered analytics, complete with seamless ingestion, instant queries, and live dashboards. Let's organize our data using the Catalog Explorer. Here, I can easily create a new catalog for my workspace and define a schema within it, giving me a structured, governed environment for storing tables, views, functions, models, and more. With Databricks, I can ingest structured and unstructured data from virtually any source in minutes. Here, I'm uploading a CSV directly from my desktop using the Add Data UI. Just drag and drop, and it's automatically registered in the catalog that I created. With just a few clicks of a button, our table is already being created. But we don't stop at local files. I also want to pull live data from Salesforce. With Lakeflow Connect, I can set up a pipeline name, select my connection to Salesforce, and make sure to select the catalog where the data will be going to. I can authenticate, select the Salesforce object I need, and land that data directly into Delta tables governed and ready for analysis. Once the ingestion pipeline is saved, we can now save and run our pipeline so that data can begin flowing. Once data is ingested, it's automatically governed by Unity Catalog. In the Catalog Explorer, we can now see all of the tables that have been ingested from Salesforce. Now, I'm assigning fine-grained permissions to different users and groups. Every table, column, function is audited and secured across workspaces, personas, and clouds. Now, let's create a serverless SQL warehouse. This gives us instant, scalable compute without worrying about provisioning, tuning, or resource management. It's fully managed by Databricks, auto scales based on query load, and starts within seconds, which is perfect for BI workloads, ad hoc queries, and cost efficient analytics. I'm in the SQL editor, and I'd like to write a query. I'll leverage the inline assistant to help me create a materialized view on this logic. This view automatically stays in sync with underlying data and is stored in Delta format, giving you both performance and consistency. We can leverage AI in SQL by using Databricks AI functions. These are native serverless functions that let you bring powerful language intelligence to your data. You can summarize text, translate text, and more. I can take a look at my previously created materialized view in the Catalog Explorer. From there, I can configure fine-grained permissions for users or entire groups. I can even see the lineage, tracing how the materialized view was derived from its original sources to its current form. And the usage insights provide visibility into how often the view is queried, which teams or users are leveraging it, and the overall impact it has across workloads. Now, let's bring this to life with a dashboard. I already have a few visualizations loaded up, but I'll build a quick line chart just using a few words. Cool. I can also add a filter with no extra backend work required. These dashboards are native to Databricks, meaning no data movement, no external BI licensing, and no security gaps. They're also governed through Unity Catalog, so you can track exactly who accessed what, which is ideal for audit and compliance. Now, I'm going to publish our dashboard and enable Genie, our conversational AI assistant. Genie uses governed metadata and the materialized view we created earlier to generate the right SQL, run it, and return an answer instantly. This is not just a chatbot. It's a fully governed, intelligent interface built for real decision making. So, from spinning up compute, ingesting and governing data, writing queries with AI help, building dashboards, and even asking questions with natural language, Databricks SQL gives you the full modern analytics stack in one experience.